Hello everyone. Today we are going to start some extra operations on the string. First we are going to discuss comparison operators. How we can compare a two string in the Python. We can use relational or comparison operators like your less than or greater than or less than equal to. Okay. All these operation we can use here like not equal. Suppose we are taking one example, A is equal to, I am typing here Raj, and B is equal to again Raj. Okay. Now I want to compare this two variable, then I am using A equal B. Then it's written true value. Okay. When you are comparing the string in the equal condition, then always use double equal sign. A double equal B, then it's written true. Now I am changing the value that RAG, R is capital in the B, and again writing same statement A double equal B, that's written false. Okay, why? Because that R is capital, and if I am writing A less than equal to B, then again it's written false value. A not equal B, then it's written true value. Okay, so for the string comparison you can use your relational operators less than, greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to. Okay, next topic we are going to discuss here, string slicing. Slicing is used to retrieve a subset of a value. It is a part of any string. We can take an example. Here I am declaring a variable A is equal to Python and enter. This is my variable. Now if I am writing here A2 colon 4, then it will return th. Okay, this th is a subset, okay, of our main string. Here this 2, that's our start point, and this 4, that's our end point. And always remember, this 4 will never include in your subset. Here that will start from second position, okay, that's t, and goes up to n minus 1. What is n? That's your index, the last index. Okay, here we are giving the 4, means 4 minus 1 3, then it will go on the 3. You can clear this on the with the help of this picture. Okay, here on the second index, that's t, and goes up to third index, that's our h. We gave the higher index is 4, and 4 minus 1 3, it will go up to 3. So we will get the output th. This is our subset of our main string. Okay, th is a part of Python. If here suppose I type this A colon 4, so what the output comes? That comes pyth. Okay, here if we omit the start index, then by default it will go on the 0th index. And if suppose here I will write A3 colon, and I'm not giving the ending index, so it will go up to the last, up to n, HON, start from the third and goes up to the last index. So always remember that if you miss beginning index, it will consider 0, and if you miss last value, then it will consider length of the string. In the previous video we discussed that every string have two types of index, that left index and right index. If you want to access your string from the right index, then you can access it. Okay, I'm taking one example, that right index A -4 colon -2. Okay, so that will print th -4, that's my start point, and goes up to -2. Okay, so -4, on the -4 we can see here that's the t, and on the -2, -2 -1, that's called -3. So it will go on the -3, that's h. So my output will come th. Okay, that display here th. So in the with the help of right index you can access your string and you can retrieve your substring. You can assign this value in any other variable also. Suppose I am writing here b is equal to a -4 colon -2. Okay, press enter. Now print b, then it will print th. Okay, so we can assign this slicing value in any other variable with the help of equal symbol. In the slicing we can use a third step also, that suppose I am writing here a1 colon 5 colon 2. Okay, suppose that's my value a1 colon 5. So that will display YTHO. Okay, that's my output come on the basis of index. Here I am introduce one third value a colon 5 colon 2. Okay, there's third argument, that's the my step. Okay, then it will return y and h. Why? Because on the first index, my first index is y, and I am giving step 2. Okay, so after 1 it will go on the third index and it will print h. Okay, this h, and after h it will again take the next 2 step. It will go on, and the index of this is 5, and here my upper limit is 5, so it will go out from this statement. On the place of this, if I will write a colon 6 colon 2, so it will print YHN. Okay, up to the last index, this one. Okay, take one more interesting example, that suppose I am here using one variable b, and in this I am giving hello, how are you. Okay, that simple message. When we use the print b, then it will display my message. Now I want to take a slide that's hello. Okay, I want to retrieve only hello from this b string and merge with my string a. In the a we are having Python. Okay, so I want to write hello Python and storing in another variable, that's the c. So c is equal to, first I want to retrieve hello, that is stored in the b. So b, then colon sign, because start with 0 index and goes up to 5 plus a. Okay, in the a we are having Python. Now see what's the output. Print c, hello Python. Okay, why? Because this on the 5th index, 5th means up to the 4, 0 to 4, that retrieve hello, and that will merge with the value of a, that's the Python. So now my final string in the c variable, that's the hello Python. So you can use these slicing operations in your Python programming. Now we will discuss some functions in the Python for string. Okay, now my first function is len, I'm just here printing the value of A, uses print A. Now the value is hello, how are you? Now I want to find out the length of this variable, means that is string. Okay, so for that purpose we can go for len function, len A. Now that will return 18. Okay, that's the complete length of the string that is stored in the variable A. Now the second function that we can use capitalize. Okay, this function will return same value but the first letter in the uppercase. Okay, just press enter. Now see here that H that come in the capital letter, and by default my string that H in the lowercase. Okay, with the help of this capitalize this function we can change the first character of the string in the uppercase. Now the next function is replace. I'm taking one string b is equal to good morning. Okay, print b. Now display good morning. Now on the place of the morning I want to replace night. Okay, so we can use b dot replace. On the place of morning I want night, and this close. Okay, now my string is replaced with night, good night. If you want to assign this value in any variable, then you can assign here c is equal to this. Now c, print c. In the c, that's a good night, and I'm using print b, that's a good morning. Okay, so it is not assignment, that's a simple statement, that's change temporary, but when you use equal sign then it will assign to a variable with new value.